Hadarat Global Business Innovation Leadership Summit organized an event aimed at women empowerment in various industries and sectors to get across different opportunities and developments. The focus is on education and research, along with real estate, artificial intelligence, and IT solutions. Speakers discussed topics aimed at solutions for the startup ecosystem, leadership in crisis management, investments and fundings for educational institutions, business negotiation beyond borders, and other interesting matters were conferred. Organizations like Women of Stature Foundation, Ethos Asset Management, and the Economic Hub are some of the names which are formed to focus on the socio-economic challenges and economic development are collaborating partners of the summit. The event provides great opportunities for women to discover the various aspects and places to master their skills. Participation in such summits broadens their vision and gives them a better understanding of international scenarios. We hope to witness more such great endeavors and thank them for their great efforts.
To be here today, and they are helping ladies and women empower. So this is very good, which is they are doing always. This is not first time they are doing always. So I wish them all the best.
I'd like to say that on behalf of all South Africans, we'd like to take our sincerest condolences and pass it forward to the families and to the entire UAE with regard to this. I think it's a very huge loss. And
Well, today's summit, it was very successful, I can say. The Hydro Global team, they put together a lot of investors, persons with projects coming together to see how they can get the support and the help they need. Also those who are looking for education as well and leadership teachings. And I think it was a very successful summit that we held today.
So first of all, I would love to share this, that this is a celebration of women who are into business, and I'm into business in Dubai from past 12 to 15 years, and Dubai has given that platform. This summit has brought too many insights of not even the business forum, but what is happening in the world, sustainability, and many other topics they have covered, which is again very knowledgeable.
I have attended the two-day summit, and this summit is the platform for all the empowered women and empowering women around the world in different colors and in different with different struggles and different challenges. And I am so happy that I am one of the finalists of the Women of Stature Awards.
Very educational and inspiring. Obviously, it's an empowerment summit, but what's most important is that it's a global summit, meaning that it's women that are coming from across the globe, basically sharing knowledge, culture.